So today we have Idge, who is one of our traders in our community, down in Chelsea at the trading floor. Idge, how have you been getting on, mate?
Yeah, really good, thanks. Trading's going well, things are going really smoothly. Yeah, starting to pick it back up, piece it together now, and it's going consistent. Yeah, great, thanks.
Good stuff. In the last few months, what's been happening?
So the last few months have been going quite well. I've finally been building that consistency, using the foundations of the education I've had and all the years of things I've learned, and it's all coming together and piecing it together, and things are really consistent on the way up now. It's fantastic, yeah, can't complain.
Good. And how long have you been full-time now?
I'd say about 6 months now, full-time working in trading, yeah. So that's 6 months.
And are you enjoying the freedom, the time off?
I love it. It just gives me that flexibility. So if I want to go do things, I can look at the markets in the morning. I've got a really good structure in place now that allows me the flexibility to kind of piece my life around the markets.
Yeah, I think that's the biggest thing, just having a routine and being disciplined, and again, spending too much time at the charts can lead to problems. So it's about having the correct routine and discipline, sticking to your rules and trade plan.
Yeah, I think that's important, having the right structure in place and the routine, and like you said, sticking to the trade plan and being really consistent and focused with what I'm trying to achieve, and make sure I don't work around that, work within them set boundaries.
And do you have set targets monthly or quarterly?
I try and hit a set percentage every kind of week, month, and then quarter, and making sure that I'm on track. So I think if you set realistic goals, it helps me achieve them, motivate myself.
Yeah. And joining the CTP, how's that changed your trading style?
So I think because over the years I've learned lots of different strategies and lots of different information about trading, it allowed me to bring all the information together, got rid of the things I didn't need, and allowed me to have more focus on what worked for me and what worked for my kind of trading psychology.
Good. And would you say that was a kind of fast track to get you to where you are now?
Yeah, I think the key thing with the City Trader program for me was I knew if I wanted to trade full time, I needed funding. Yeah. And funding was the main thing for City Trader program. That's what helped me elevate me into being a full-time trader. Without the funding behind me, I wouldn't have been able to achieve that. And having something like CTP has helped me push me towards that goal.
I think that the hardest part is obviously making the transitional period between having a job and a consistent income from full-time employment to pay your bills and supplement your expenses to being completely dependent on your trading. I suppose that takes a lot of pressure, does it?
It can add the pressure, knowing that at the end of the month you're not going to get your set salary and you're almost having to wake up every day to earn that salary, to earn your monthly income. It does add a lot of pressure, but what removed the pressure was having the right support, the right mentoring, the right coaching, and having a structured plan, and knowing that if I stick to that plan, there is no pressure.
So it seems like you're enjoying your freedom around trading now. What's your plans for the future?
I think more the same, James. I think I've been really looking consistent and working hard, and I've just achieved my target for the third tier. As you know, I've just got the 10%, which was just over $5,000 for me. So I think seeing that financial kind of aspect of it and being able to bank that money and physically see it really motivated me. Obviously now, I'm on the 208,000 account, which is great. So I think more of the same, more consistency, sticking to routine, sticking to what I've learned and applying those kind of key fundamentals that I've learned into working myself up the tiers and making a success of my career in trading.
So discipline and routine being key then, obviously sticking to the rules. Is that the advice that you'd give anyone looking to become a full-time trader? Yeah,
100%. Obviously I came to work with the guys at FMO like yourself, and I think learning the discipline, learning the education, learning the strategy, investing in myself, because obviously yes, it is an investment, but I see that as an investment in myself. And it's like anything, if you invest in yourself and invest your time, money and effort into it, you will make it a success. So I think to people, they need to stay positive, be diligent and be disciplined and work hard, and I think the results will come as a testament. I can testify to that. That is exactly what I've done, and it's happening for me now. It's great.
As you say, it definitely takes hard work. It's not easy.
100%.
The rules, you've got to spend time here in Chelsea on the trading floor, online with the boys, join the community, bounce ideas off people. It is being in the right environment and surrounding yourself with successful people to become a successful trader.
Yeah, 100%, James. You've hit the nail on the head. I think that's exactly what I've tried to do and try to embody that, and that's what's helped me get to where I've got to so far, and long may it continue.
So as you can see, Idge has done fantastic, now trading a $208,000 trading account. Onwards and upwards now, as long as he continues to meet his targets, his account will be doubled to high seven figures. So the opportunities are endless. We just hope he spends more time here and not abroad.